All right. The second part of our lesson now will be to format our work. So we are going to open this WPS Office Word. Remember, this one does not need internet again. It's when we are doing research that we need to use internet connection. So okay, our page has been opened. Now you look at it, you see that my page is not having any topic, so I need to create a topic. I click on the screen and then it displays my keyboard. I come down to the deleting button and then I delete. Below the deleting button, I have this arrow like that. I click on it. It takes me to a different line. So the use of this enter key, we call it the enter key, is to move to the next line. Alright, you look now at my topic, bilingualism in Cameroon. That's what I first of all have to edit. Alright, to edit anything on this page, make sure that you start by selecting. So I will now select. Selecting means that I should hold my screen when this circle comes out, and then I should drag it on top of what I want to edit. I should drag. You see, when I drag now and I discover that what I have already dragged is in blue, I allow it. When I allow it now, it has already highlighted what I want to edit. So I come to my left hand side where I have some four shapes that are together like that. I click on it. When I click on it, it's going to take me to home, and under this home I have my formatting tools. I'm going to start with this size here. This size here is 11. When they say size, they are referring to the size of the characters or of the writing. So if I click on it, I will take 12 as the size. Now 12 might look small because the heading. Let me take 16. Click on 16. See that as I'm clicking, the size of the topic is changing. Size of the letters are changing. They are becoming bigger. If I take even another one, it will still become bigger. But let's take 16 for now. Okay, I now come out of the page and I go to this other one again. Here now, this B, this capital B here means to bold. So if I click on it, you will see that my topic will be bold, and then this I is italicized. Italicized means that I can make it to slant, and if I don't want it to slant, as I have done like that, I say click on the very I, and I click on I, it's going to come back to normal. And then this U on this side means to underline. So if I click on it, it's going to give me options on how to underline. If I want it to be underlined this way, I click on this other one. If I want a different type of underlining, maybe with dots, I click on this other one so that it will be underlined with dots. If I want it to be some other different kind of dots, I take on this other third option. It will give me the type of line that I want. But for now, I think let us use the normal line to underline. Okay, now that's not all. Still on our formatting toolbar, we can decide to give a color to our text. This text color, you can take this red. See, when I click on it, it changes the color of the topic automatically. If I want to choose a different color, I come to these three dots here and I click. It's going to give me different options, and then I select the one that I want. But since we have already taken red, there's no need selecting another one. I can also come down here to maybe centralize my text. If I put it, I click here, my text will be on the left hand side. If I click in the middle, you see that my topic will be centralized. Yes, and now if I take on this other one, my topic will be sent to the left, and then the best normally will need to centralize, so I will take on this other option here so that my topic will be at the center of my page. Alright, now I can equally go down to capitalize my topic. I take on all caps down here. When I click on it, you see that it has changed the topic to all caps. It's now in capital letters. So I can now come out of this page by clicking this other arrow on my left hand side. Come out of the page and then I take on done. Now you look at my topic, you see that my topic is centralized and it is written with the color that I decided to choose. I can equally do the same thing with the subtopics. The first subtopic, to do anything, you click on the screen for the delete option, for the edit option to come out. When it comes out, you click on it. When you click on it now, then you go and select the portion that you want by holding your screen and dragging. Hold your screen and drag. That is going to select. You come down again on your left hand side, you click on the 4 different shapes to open to home, where you have your formatting tools. Now here I can bold. See, it has already changed to bold. I can equally change the handwriting to 12. I come out of it, and then maybe the color. I can put the color to maybe blue, or I like it as dark as it is. It depends on me. And then I come out of the formatting toolbar, and then I take on done. You see that my first subtopic has equally been formatted. You can do the same thing with the second, with the third, and even with the fourth. When you must have finished now, you need to save your work. But before we save our work, we have to arrange this page again. You see that this other side of the page, there are some sentences that are longer than others, so we need to arrange the page to look good. I'll still click on the screen. When I click on the screen, the edit option will come. I'll click on edit, and then I will come here, and then I will select all again by holding and dragging. When I select all, I come down here to these 4 shapes. I click on it, and then I'll come to where they are written multiple like that. You see, if I take this other one, it will send my shape to the left. If I take this one, it will send my shape to the right. This one, it will centralize the work. This one will take the work to the left hand side, and then this one I will make the work to look uniform. This last one, or second to the last, and that is the one that is good. It makes your work to look presentable. So I can come out of the page now like this. You see that this side now is straight, just like this other one. So I can take on done, and then now to save my work, to be able to save my work, I still touch the screen. I take on edit. I come down to the left hand side, and then I go now back to file. Under file, I will have save, and I will have save as. So if I click on save as, it's going to give me the option where I'm supposed to save. See, bilingualism in, and then I can come here, and then I delete this part. And maybe I just write bilingualism. And then when I'm writing, I make sure that there's no space between my kesu and the last letter. Like this one, if I save here, it will not go because there is a space in between the last letter and my kesu. So I make sure that my kesu is where between the kesu and the last letter there is no space. I come and click now on save. I'll click on save. You see that my document has already been saved. I can now equally want to send this document to somebody.
Darling mom.
To send this document to somebody, I'll click down here, and then I will now come down here to share as options. When I come down here, I click to open the options. I will take the last option down here, which is share as file. Click on share as a file, and then now it will give me to the various destinations where I want my document to be shared, to be sent to. Since we are working with WhatsApp, I will click on WhatsApp, and I click on WhatsApp. It will now open the page. Since we are working on training, I come here and then I write training. Now this is it. training, I click on it, and then I also click on this arrow. Guys, so you see it has already written bilingualism doc. So I just click on this other arrow to send to the page where we are working, and that will be the end of my work. Thank you very much. So each and everyone will do like this, and then we'll send back to our training center so that we can also evaluate and see how far you have gone. Thank you.